On this quick Uber tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your home address and work address in the Uber app. First things first, pull up the Uber app, of course. I will say here some things are blacked out for privacy reasons. I'm going to go down to the bottom right and click account. Then I'm going to go to home. You can see right there as a makeshift home address, I just put Grain Whiskey Bar. Great bar, by the way, here in LA. I'm going to click home. Then I'm going to enter my home address, right, whatever it is. So in this case, let's say I put the Hermosa Beach Pier, for example. When I go back, boom, I have the home address now being Hermosa Beach Pier. Then let's say if I want to add my work address, I click add work. Pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. I pick one of my addresses or I type it in, right? It will show you your most recent addresses. This is why I have this list kind of already there. I pick my work or type in my work address, and then boom. It is that quick, that easy, when now I have my home address and work address right in the app. Two things I want to say before I close out this video. One is now when you use the Uber app to order an Uber, whether it's your home or your work or pretty much anywhere, there will automatically be your home and your work right there. So it's a very quick, easy shortcut to go home or go to work. Secondly, is one thing I want to say when it comes to this feature, it doesn't really change the pricing or the functionality or anything. The rides are going to be exactly the same. It's not like you can get any special discounts or anything. This just makes it easier because if you go home a lot, of course, using Uber, and if you go to work a lot using Uber, this just makes it a lot easier on the app to either click home, click work, and you're on your way.